Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Parker and I'm an immigration attorney and founder of Hope Immigration. Today I'm going to share with you 3 tips to improve your green card application. The outcome of your green card application impacts your entire life, so it's really important that you do everything you can to try and get it approved. Of course, I'm a little bit biased, but I think the best thing you can do is hire an immigration attorney, but I understand that that's really expensive and sometimes you'd rather just file it on your own. And that is totally okay. So I am going to provide you with 3 tips from my experience that can help you improve your application and improve your chances of getting it approved. The first tip is to use a cover letter and an index of exhibits. This is really important because it's the first thing that your officer is going to see when they look at your application. It's nice to have a clean, organized application and to be able to see all of the supporting documents that you have included and where exactly they are in your application so that the officer can quickly and easily reference them. If you're curious about how to format this cover letter or the exhibit pages, I've created a template that you can download on my website, so I'm going to link that down below for you. The second tip is to mail your medical exam results at the same time that you mail in that I-485 or shortly after. This is because in the past, many people would just bring their medical exam results to the interview. However, now USCIS has been waiving some of the green card interviews. So in case your application is one of those that they're going to have the interview waived, it would be good to get that medical exam result in sooner, because if you don't, they're going to send you a request for evidence for that medical exam result, which is totally okay if you get a request for evidence, but it is going to make the application take just a little bit longer. So in order to speed up the process, just go ahead and submit those medical exam results as soon as you can. The third tip I'm going to share with you today is to do document review with an attorney. So not all, but some immigration attorneys will offer a service where they will look over your application for you and give you notes before you submit it to USCIS. So I love helping self-filing immigrants through document review. So I've created 2 different packages where people can come to me and I will review their application that they have filled out and give them notes before they submit it to USCIS. So the first package is the lowest package where you just pay a very small fraction of the cost that you would for hiring an attorney for representation. And for this service, I have you upload documents to a portal, and then I look through the documents, I make notes where I think you should change something or if I notice an issue with your application, and then I send you those notes and we schedule a phone call or a Zoom call to go over them together. And if you want a little bit more help, you want to talk to an attorney before you go ahead and start writing out that application, I have another package. We start with a Zoom call or a phone call. And then after that, you upload the documents for me. I look over them, give you notes, and then we have another phone call to go over it together. So if this is something you're interested in, I'm gonna leave the page where you can book these services linked down below. So I hope these tips were helpful for you. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to just book a consultation with me. I have a link that I'm going to put down below where you can just directly book a meeting with me on my calendar at a time that works best for you. Best of luck on your green card application, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.